happening, YouTube? Welcome back, fam. So, how is everyone? So today, I don't know where I am. I'm in some big open bit of land here. Right, really nice. Sun is shining. Guys, look at that. Not a cloud in the sky. Dinky little airplane over there. I can't even see it. Trust me, it's there. Alright, but other than that, there's nothing in that sky. So today, plan is just general van life routines that I've got to do. There it is, guys. So, as you can see, floor is filthy. Needs a good old tidy up. Let's get to it. Right, so before I do anything, it's only right that we have a coffee first. Let's do it. Grab this. Yeah, let's tidy this floor up a bit. What is that? It's pretty dirty. Better, much better. Bed's all made up. I have this new addition to the family, a colander, for when I have my pasta. So I'll look forward to using that, maybe on the next video or two. That'd be exciting, wouldn't it? You can see down here, in future, I want to try and get a smaller container that fits in there, so I can permanently have that pump installed. See, because obviously I want to use my tap. Oh yeah, also have a little chopping board. Awesome. Chopping board there, colander, some gas. What else have I got in here? Some more gas, some little disposable plates, because I hate washing up. Don't know about you guys, but I'm not washing up. I hate it. And I have essentials. What's this one? Sri Lankan style curry. Nice. Do need to buy some more coffee though. That's running low. I have my pots and pans in there. This little Gucci bit of kit. Carry your little eggs in. Little box in there with some cutlery, some sugar. And here I have a stove, kettle, and some more gas. Like I said, guys, that's the van all tidied up, ready for another day.